Hello everyone, welcome back to my break time. So today I'm gonna build and review on this Lego Ninjago Dragon Rising Zane's Ice motorcycle. Look at that, the motorcycle looks so awesome already with the ice plates. And the box packaging design, it takes place in some sort of snow mountain. Oh, it's very suitable for Zane's motorcycle, isn't it? And I love Zane character so much. It looks so cool. And let's take a look what's in the box together. And it comes with 2 paper packaging this time around. So it means a new set because it's come with paper packaging, and it comes with 2 tires. One rough and tough looking and another one is like a normal tire. And these are the ice plates. And one small sticker sheet which will be going on to the motorcycle. Yeah, so let's take a look at the building instruction. It's printed in orange paper. I love it. It's so nice. And I think this might take me around 10 minutes to build, I guess. So I'm gonna build and review on the other set later on. I got 2 sets this time around, so yeah. Let's get started. The first and only character in this set is Zane. Zane is in white and medium azure color combination, and let's take a look at the sash. It's with the dragon sigil at the end. I love it. It looks so cool. And the headpiece is in gray and silver color, and you can't forget about katana shots for Zane in a pair of it. And on the back, there's the ice dragon with the iconic NINJAGO letter Z in the middle. Same goes with the pants as well. And next we're going to move on the build of the ice motorcycle over here. As usual, I hope you guys enjoy the whole build together with me. It's gonna be a short one. This build is very simple. And if you have any question, please always drop me a message in the comment box, and sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the video. I will catch up with you in the recap section later on.
Nice.
And yes, let's take a look at this rubber band. It will make the ice blade to open and close, yeah, from the motorcycle itself. And I think it looks pretty awkward. Why don't they use the black color? And why? I mean, they use white. I mean, it's very, very visible. And the tire, let's talk about the tire. They are super, super solid. I mean, I love it. It looks like a real vehicle. I mean, it can feel, I mean, the tire feels like it's from the real vehicle. I mean, and it's so stable. I mean, the whole motorcycle is super, super stable, as you can see. And it moves super, super smooth. I mean, it moves very fast if you push it harder. Yes, and the blades. I mean, I love how it open and close, and you can store your katana swords at the back like so. What do you guys think? I mean, the whole design and the look of it. I mean, Zanes can definitely just stand and hold on to the grip of the motorcycle like so. And that's the whole build. I mean, I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you like it, so that you won't miss out any more updates. I will see you in the next video for sure. Take care and bye bye for now. Bye bye.